guess what we got here? 2008 Nissan Xterra right here on Anderson Nissan in Rockford. This thing is automatic, disappointingly. It does have four-wheel drive. It has unknown mileage on it, but the main difference I see, of course, it still has the Xterra on there. That sticker is intact. It's got a lot of rust. It's got rust bubbling up here. Typically there's rust down in here. You can actually see some evidence there too. The frame looks rusty. You can kind of see compared to your truck, this is very rusty here. The rear bumper has been cracked. Brakes look a little old. So anyway, I was just driving by this and I saw, I'm like, oh man, this looks just like my Xterra. But it looks like they're ready to try to mitigate the rust here. The bumper was rusty, so they sprayed some bed liner on it. This looks pretty crusty too. Anyway, but these tires with white letters look pretty cool on it. Has a lot more height above the rear wheel because of being four-wheel drive, 4x4, and the springs are probably a bit stronger. But this one is an auto, no backup camera, no Apple CarPlay on this one, but overall relatively clean. It still has the same type of Nissan quality in the seams as far as the paint goes. This hasn't chipped much, but again, kind of faded cowl here, faded headlights. These are relatively yellow. So anyway, good looking Xterra, just too bad it's not 6-speed manual.